Doesn't come from nowhere.
Show me what you know. To the moon.
This carving has begun. So if you haven't heard already, come gather yourself round the stage, grab some photos. We have our main man, Virgil, over here. He's one of our 3 main ice sculptors. Usually, an ice sculptor takes around 4 to 6 hours to do an ice sculpture. But Virgil is so good that he is going to do this for you in 20 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, if you was to buy an ice sculpture like this on land, it would cost between $300 to $1,000. It's a good job you're on the Carnival Ecstasy because you're getting to watch this for free.